We will guide you through how to pin a comment on YouTube Studio. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows search bar on your device. Type the name of your preferred web browser into the search field. When the browser appears in the search results, click it to launch the application. After the browser opens, click the address bar at the top of the window. Type YouTube Studio and press Enter on your keyboard. When the search results appear, click the first YouTube Studio website in the list. Wait for the website to finish loading and sign into your account if needed. Once you are on the YouTube Studio dashboard, go to the Content section to view all of your uploaded videos. Browse through the list and select the video whose comments you want to manage. Click the video to open its details page and wait until everything finishes loading completely. After the page opens, review the available video settings shown on the screen. Look through the menu and open the Comments section to view all of the comments for the selected video. Wait a few moments while the comments finish loading. Browse through the list until you find the comment that you want to pin to the top. Once you find the correct comment, look for the three-dot menu next to it. Click the three-dot menu to open the available comment options. A small menu will appear with several actions that you can choose from. Select the pin option from the list to pin the selected comment. If YouTube asks you to confirm the action, click Confirm to continue. Wait a few moments while the change is applied. After the process is complete, the selected comment will appear at the top of the comment section, so it is easier for viewers to see. That is how you can pin a comment in YouTube Studio.